Family, welcome back to Code Dev Academy. In this channel, we bring you tips, tutorials, and insights in web development. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can comment on your code, and important, and why do we comment on our code. First of all, we comment on our code just to write a text that will explain our code to ourselves and for other developers that are going to read our code. Another thing is, when we comment on our code, our browser ignores our code. But one of the major reasons is to explain our code to us so that the next time you're coming back to read it, it will be easy for us to understand, and for other developers that want to go through our code, will be easy for them to understand our code. So another thing I want you to take note is the way you comment on your HTML is different from the way you're going to comment on your CSS, and it's also different from the way you're going to comment on your JavaScript. And in my HTML file here, I have some H1 here, which is my commenting, and I have some text here. So I want to show you guys how you can comment on this text here, which is this my lorem. When the moment I comment, this my lorem text here is going to disappear, which is telling you that I have commented on it and the browser is not reacting to it. So let me just show you a first shortcut of how you're going to comment. What you're going to do is first click Control, then slash. Now it has commented on it. That's why you are seeing it to be green. It is in green color. But if I remove this my closing tag for my commenting here, this is where my commenting started, which is a greater than, then exclamation mark, then dash 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 dash. This is the beginning of your commenting. If I remove this my closing tag here, if I remove it here, if I bring it here and I paste it here, that means my commenting is ending here. It is ending here, and here, from here, my browser is going to read it. So when I save, let me show you what I'm talking about. As you can see, this place that has a green color, it has been commented. The browser is not reacting to it. So it's starting from this my elite. As you can see, elite here. It's starting from here. But if I remove this my closing tag here, if I remove it, I cut it here, and I bring it here, and I paste it. Now my browser is not giving me anything because I don't have any text. All this is being commented. So if I remove here, if I remove it here, I remove it here. As you can see, also my body here and my HTML has also turned to green. That means my body here and my HTML has also been commented. So the browser has also been commented, but there's no way you want your body and your HTML to be commented. It can't be possible. So I have to bring my closing tag of my commenting to here. So this, what I just showed you was a shortcut of the way you're going to comment. You can write it manual and you can write it in a shortcut way. But the shortcut way is just a control and slash. If I write control and slash here, it will uncomment it. If I click on control and slash, it will comment it. That's just a way of commenting. So instead of, you can also not comment your code. You can just write a comment and write your text here. Within this your comment, you can write your text and explain your code. So this is just a way of commenting in HTML. So let me show you a way of commenting in CSS. So let me uncomment my text here. So this is Control L. You can select all your text with Control L. But I don't want to select it. I just want to click on Control slash, which will uncomment my text. So I've linked my HTML to my CSS, and I've also linked my HTML to my JavaScript. So all my files are linked. So let me go to CSS to show you how to comment on CSS. So now to comment on CSS, so what I'm going to do first is to target my body. Don't worry about the code. Just focus on commenting. Since this video is mainly on how to comment. Learning on how to code CSS is a different topic, and I have a video on it. You can go and check it out. But first of all, what I'm going to do is color, and I'm going to write red. I'm going to close it here, and I'm going to come down and background color to be blue, just to make it to be obvious. When I save, as you can see, my background color is blue and my color of my text is red. So what if I tell you that I can remove this my text so that my browser cannot read it? That's what we call comment. So I can just put slash here and a star here. So as you can see, it has commented my color and also my background. But I don't want my background color to be commented. I want the browser to read my background color. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to come here and put my star here and a slash. So as you can see, it's only my color that has been commented, and it's only my color that is showing green, which is showing that it's only color that has been commented. So when I save, my background color is still going to be blue, but since my color red has been commented, my red has gone. But if I close here, when I save, that means my color has been commented also, so as my background color has been commented. So it's not giving me anything. So I can just make it to be star here, star, then slash. That means now when I save, also it has not been commented, but I just want to comment my HTML color. So I'm just going to remove here. I'm going to remove it here, and I'm going to go back here also and remove it. When I save, now my background color and my text color are back. But a shortcut way of commenting in in CSS is when you highlight your text here, I can just write control then question mark, it has commented. I can also write control question mark, it has uncommented. That's the way of shortcutting commenting. If you don't forget, I said in HTML to comment is just control slash, it has commented, control slash, it has uncommented. So but for CSS, to comment is just control question mark, it has commented, then control question mark, it has uncommented here. And let me go back to my HTML also to save. I have shown you how to comment in HTML, and I've shown you how to comment in CSS. Now I'm going to show you how to comment in JavaScript. So as you can see here, I have my comment here already. What I'm going to do now is, let me remove here. As you can see, when I save, I want you guys to notice what happened. This is my JavaScript. This thing that just appeared here is from my JavaScript. So let me just click on OK here. So let me the way you're going to comment in JavaScript, just when you come to where you want to comment, just slash and it has commented. So as you can see, even when I save, it has commented. It's not popping up that thing that is supposed to pop up. So sorry, this is appearing. So when I can uncomment by just coming here and removing this my slash and it has uncommented. So when I save, it's going to pop up. I'm going to click on OK, and that's all. And I also can uncomment it, can comment it by just putting slash and it has commented. I can uncomment it, and I can also comment it. That's so simple in commenting. So guys, one thing I want to tell you about commenting is, when you're commenting, you're not going to write a whole lot of text. You're just going to write something that is straightforward and easy to understand. When you're commenting, you're not going to write a whole lot of story of explaining your code. You're just going to write something that's straightforward and easy to understand for you and for other developers that are going to read your code. And commenting is very, very, very important in coding, because when you're commenting, when you write a code and you comment on it, you're expressing yourself on your code, so that anytime anyone reads your code, he's going to get it. My name is Bin Mustafa, and I hope this video you have gained something out of it. Please help my channel grow by subscribing to my channel and turning on the notification bell, so that anytime I post a new video, you're going to be the first to view. Assalamu alaikum.